Alrighty, good morning everybody. Let's just check that's in focus. Yep, beautiful. Alright, so the time is just past 9 o'clock. So it's a little bit of a late start to the day, but that's okay. We've got a few things to do today. So a couple little things on the car as well. So we're going to do a few little modifications that are super easy, but we'll just kind of modernize it a little bit. So stay tuned for that. That'll be later on. But first we're going to make a bit of breakfast, hit the gym, but also we hit 200 subscribers a little while back. So I just wanted to say thank you very much for 200 subscribers. That is awesome. Nice to know that there's 200 people who think that, yeah, this dude seems alright, gonna watch his videos. I know I'm not very consistent, especially at the moment. Terrible at this whole being consistent. Would love to be consistent. I'm working on it. But I got a few things coming up that I really want to stick to. And that's including a bit of a fitness journey, and a few other things. So hopefully we can pull that around and get a bit more content out there, and I can stop being a bit of a pussy with the camera and take it along with me. So first things first, let's make some porridge, and it's the best goddamn porridge ever.
Half a cup of oats, just regular oats, pop that in a saucepan. Generous teaspoon of cinnamon, because it's the best, need that flavor.
And now next we're gonna have half an apple and half a banana.
Go straight on in. Excuse me. Just pour 1 3/4 cup of hot water.
So that's like a really good pre-workout meal for me, because it doesn't get me bloated or anything like milk and lots of bread. So perfect, tasty, and it keeps you full. It is dense. All right, well that was a good brekkie. So now it's time to hit the gym. Also, another big thing that's happening is going to be getting rid of this beard today. Had it for about a year, so it's going to be a big change, but it's time for a bit of spring cleaning, I think. So get rid of that, trim it back down to a stubble. I'm going to be a different person. It's going to look so weird and I'm probably going to regret it, but we're doing it. Alright, so the type of workout that I'm doing at the moment, I've just switched to what's called a push-pull leg split. So push is basically your chest, your shoulders, your triceps. Pull is like back and biceps and abs and all that kind of stuff. And then you hit your legs. Do this 6 times a week, so you hit every single group twice and kind of don't leave it as long between rest periods.
Hey, what the fuck? So the post-workout meal, we got a bit of a cheeky second breakfast going on.
Alrighty, it is time. Alrighty, so I've just cleaned myself up a bit and had a shower, and although it's a bit of a shock, it's not too bad. I'm happy to make the change, and I think it was definitely overdue. But anyways, moving on, time to do a couple little things to the car, and that is some LEDs. Install some LEDs. So we've got some white ones for the reverse lights, and we've got some orange ones for the indicators. So let's put those in. So I do believe that we can actually access it just up here. So we'll just, oh, there it is. All right, we'll cover. And as you can see, so the plug is just in here, so I'm guessing we should just be able to twist that. Oh yeah, twist to the left. And boom, there it is. Pretty easy. So we'll switch that over. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line up these little wires on each side with what is in the socket here with these little copper pieces you can see. Nice. That is so much brighter, and that looks way more modern. Damn. Very bright. Alright, so to get in here, we're going to have to take off the light. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to use a screwdriver and undo these two screws. Alright, so once we've taken these screws out, this is just a little bit loose, and what we want to do is we want to pull outwards. So just with a little bit of brute force and ignorance. There we go. So I've just got it resting here, and the indicator is this light bulb right here. So it's basically the exact same principle as the reverse light. So you just twist it to the left, and then out it should come. This is kind of hard doing with one hand while balancing. Boom, same sort of light. We just need to pull this one out and replace it with the LED. Chuck that bad boy in there. Quickly see if that one works. Yeah, nice. All right, now we just need to slide this back in and screw it back up. Alrighty, so we are now finished the indicators, and this is what they look like. Nice and bright. You can definitely tell that the reverse lights are way brighter. The LEDs for the indicators are just a little bit more brighter, and it matches up well with the reverse lights. So yeah, very easy to do, simple, doesn't cost much, and just definitely modernizes the car a little bit better. All right, fast forward 1 week. I'm a terrible YouTuber because I completely forgot to tell you guys that you're gonna need a new relay for the LEDs. You're gonna actually need an LED relay, plugs into under your steering wheel there. Otherwise you're gonna get heaps of hyper flashing. So that's basically where your blinker basically goes hectic. So yeah, I'm gonna go put that in, and that should be done. But thanks for watching, guys. Do you feel the buzz?